From black holes destroying each other to the collision of massive neutron stars, the 21st century has shown us some incredible discoveries. But from the thousands of discoveries made in the 21st century, which 10 are the most amazing? And today we're looking at 10 of the most amazing things we learned about space this century. Number 10. Exoplanet hunting. Now this isn't any ordinary hunting trip. The exoplanet hunting boom has seen incredible growth in the 21st century. It is quite something to imagine finding another planet outside of our solar system that we may one day be able to visit. The scientific specialty of exoplanet hunting within the broader field of astronomy has grown by leaps and bounds in the past 2 decades and has led to the discovery of more exoplanets than anyone predicted. Not only have the tools at their disposal been improved, but the methods of detection and confirmation have also become much more sophisticated and streamlined. This has allowed astronomers to discover thousands of exoplanets peppering our galaxy. It turns out that there may be many more planets out in our universe than scientists had originally theorized. Could some of these planets hold the necessary ingredients to sustain life? Number 9. Scientists were able to create a detailed map of our galaxy. During the last few years, astronomers were able to utilize the world's telescopes to take measurements to create an extremely detailed 3-dimensional map of the Milky Way. Putting together all the information collected from teams around the world, these astronomers were able to create a beautiful map of the Milky Way that shows it in all its glory. This project has not only allowed astronomers to better understand the structure of the Milky Way, but it has also given astronomers clues about how galaxies form and change over time. Being able to see our galaxy from the perspective of intergalactic space is a feat that many scientists of the past could not have even dreamed of, but it has been made a reality in the 21st century. Number 8. It turns out our solar system is rather special compared to other planetary systems out in our galaxy. You may have heard that our solar system is a special place since we're living in it, but astronomers have recently started to learn just how special our home planetary system is. As more and more planetary systems are discovered, scientists are finding that the vast majority of them don't share many similarities with our own. The planets in our solar system are spread out with very separate orbits, but planetary systems found in interstellar space tend to be organized differently with widely different orbits. In most cases, the orbit of the planets are clumped up close to the central star, even closer than Mercury's orbit, which is the closest planet to our Sun. They also tend to have very elliptical orbits, and some even orbit in the opposite direction to their rotation. Now, scientists are trying to figure out what made our planetary system special to allow for the orbits we have today. Number 7. For the first time in history, a human-made craft was able to reach the mysterious dark vacuum, interstellar space. While these projects originally started in the 1970s, the Voyager spacecrafts became the first man-made objects to leave the protection of our solar system and enter interstellar space. For so long, we were only able to probe the boundary of our solar system from afar with telescopes, but recently we were able to take direct readings and measurements of what lies just beyond the barrier of our solar system. When scientists received the report from the Voyager crafts, they discovered several things about the boundary that they were not expecting. We learned that the magnetic field does not change directions on the other side of the hemisphere. Another major finding showed that the sun's influence extends beyond the boundaries of our solar system, sending shockwaves and radiation into interstellar space. Finally, they discovered that the bubble surrounding our solar system is less of a boundary than originally thought. Voyager 1 was able to detect interstellar medium flowing into the bubble, while Voyager 2 found matter from the solar system's bubble flowing out into interstellar space. Number 6. Water on Mars. The possibility of finding life outside of our planet has been on our minds long before the birth of modern astronomy. The search for life turns towards the pursuit of water on other worlds because it is essential to the evolution of life as we know it. It wasn't until 2008 that NASA's Phoenix Mars lander was able to confirm that it found water in the form of ice on the surface of the red planet. This discovery is the first proof that water does exist on other planets, which means the necessary conditions for life may be present on different worlds throughout the universe. If there are at least 2 planets in our own solar system that contain water, it may not be as rare of a planetary feature as scientists once thought. Only the discovery and study of more exoplanets will give astronomers a better idea of what else may be out in the cosmos. But we may well be on our way to finding life beyond our planet.